How to clear ads and malware off a Samsung Android phone. Full cleanup guide. Today I'm going to show you how in less than 2 minutes. Start by checking for any apps you don't recognize. Open Settings, go to Apps and scroll through the list for anything unusual, especially apps you didn't install yourself. Tap the suspicious app and select Uninstall. If the Uninstall button is disabled, go to Device Admin Apps, revoke permissions, then return to uninstall it. Next, clear your browser data as many pop-ups come from bad websites. Open your main browser, whether Samsung Internet or Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, Clear Browsing Data, and remove your history, cookies, and cache files. Close and reopen the browser to make sure the changes take effect. Then, run a full scan using Samsung's built-in protection tool. Go to Settings, Device Care, Device Protection, start a full scan and delete anything flagged as unsafe. To prevent ads on your home or lock screen, check App Permissions. Open Settings, Permissions, and look for apps allowed to show over other apps or send notifications. Disable these permissions for any untrusted apps. Finally, restart your phone to refresh the system and use it for a few minutes to ensure ads are gone. If issues persist, check for free themes, wallpaper apps, or keyboards that may display ads and remove them. By following these steps, your Samsung Android phone should be free of intrusive ads, hidden apps, and potential malware, running smoothly and safely again.